Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Leah, I'm a licensed esthetician, and my skincare channel is dedicated to teaching you all the things about medical grade skincare so that you can put together your own routine and get the skin that you've always wanted. I love products that actually change the skin, and that's why I've dedicated my channel and my entire career to bringing you the very best in skincare. Today's video is all about getting a glow. One of the things that I hear all the time when people come in to see me for a facial is glow. But so many things contribute to dull skin, including dehydrated skin, lack of moisture in the skin, improper diet, including not enough essential minerals, using the wrong skincare. If you are not using a vitamin C, a vitamin A, and you are not exfoliating, you are going to have dull skin, as well as hormones, sun damage, and texture, because the unevenness of the skin and the shadows it can create that also contributes to looking dull. So today's video, we are going to be talking about 3 of my favorite products, and they're all a little bit different because, of course, everybody's skin's so different and really responds to different ingredients and formulas. These 3 products not only help to treat the reasons for dull skin, such as dryness, dehydration, as well as not enough oxidants topically on the skin, as well as they give you an immediate burst of glow for somebody who just feels super dull and want that 4 to 6 week wait in between really seeing how the skin can change. So while we are treating it topically, these products will also immediately give you that glow that you want to look vibrant and healthy and hydrated. So today we are going to be talking about the Obagi Daily Hydro Drops, and this one's probably my personal favorite. This is going to be great for all skin types, even acne prone. And this is super cool because it's really the first time a company was able to suspend an oil inside of a hyaluronic base, which is super cool because that means there's no emulsifiers in this, which for some people can be irritating. So when you pump this out, which you'll see, this blends beautifully, and you're not only replenishing vital oils to the skin that we all need, but also hyaluronic acid. This next one is the Mieux Oh My Glow Serum. You guys may remember this from using it in the Oh My Glow misting machine. I actually use this in a lot of facials just to give people that really nice glow to their skin. It's lightly hydrating, and it has diamond powder, which truly is just so pretty. But if you want more of a serum consistency, then this one you're going to love. And then lastly, which is more of a cream finish, this is the Glowbiotics Probiotic HydraGlow Cream Oil, which also, as you'll see, has a nice, beautiful pink sheen to it, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous, and it's a little more thicker of a product. So thin, slightly thicker and thickest, and each one of these really brings something different to the table regarding ingredients, formulation, and really I know one of them is going to speak to your specific skin and its needs. So let's go ahead and dive right into these 3 products. So as I mentioned, one of the main reasons people can have dull skin is that they live in a high pollution area and they're not getting enough antioxidants. So not only not having enough antioxidants in your topical routine, but your skin is not only lacking oils, but it's lacking water. So being dry and dehydrated, as well as not using a proper skincare routine, will immediately take your skin from looking healthy and glowing to dull, dried out, and dreary. So the Obagi Daily Hydro Drops is, again, probably one of my favorite products out of all 3 of these because it not only addresses the root cause of really dull skin, but it also protects with antioxidants. It helps to brighten the skin, which we really need to have a nice, bright, glowing complexion, and it is anti-aging. And you're getting all of that in one really, really great, beautiful, lightweight formula that's not only good for dry, mature skin, but young, oily, and acneic skin. The key ingredients in the Hydra Drops are going to be vitamin B or niacinamide, which not only calm stressed skin, but also help to brighten the complexion. It also has absinthe oil, which helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, as well as hibiscus oil. Now, this does have a very light aromatic fragrance that I find very appealing. I think it smells really, really great. It's natural fragrance due to the hibiscus, but you will smell that. So if you are a little bit sensitive to natural fragrance, you may want to wait until the next two products. But I really love the Obagi Hydra Drops. I've done a full dedicated video on this product, which I will link below. It's a little bit longer and really goes into these ingredients. But again, you'll put this on. This will help to brighten your complexion over time, really deeply hydrate and nourish the skin, as well as give it a really nice, light, dewy glow. Just like the Obagi Hydra Drops, the Mieux Oh My Glow Serum is also power packed with anti-aging actives. I feel like because this one's mainly used in a treatment with your esthetician, we have this on our back bar, we use this in our oxygenated machine. I don't feel like people really understand how many anti-aging ingredients are in this serum, and like I said, while it's used traditionally in the machine, I use this 1 or 2 drops just mixed in with like a hyaluronic acid, and it is so beautiful. And because it has that diamond powder, it immediately gives you this beautiful, beautiful, hydrated, young, youthful glow. My glow serum is really special because it actually uses 10 different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid as the base. The Oh My Glow Serum also has tripeptide 5. I'm a huge peptide lover. Not only is this going to be firming, but it's also going to promote more collagen synthesis naturally in our skin. So you're going to see not only a lot of hydration to our skin, a lot of firming, but you're going to see over time lessening of fine lines and wrinkles, because peptides work, you know, with that almost Botox-like effect where it helps to soften and smooth fine lines. Just like the Obagi Hydra Drops, this also has a healthy, hearty dose of niacinamide or vitamin B3, which not only are going to help to brighten the complexion, which again we need to not look dull and look more hydrated and glowy, but also over time, it's going to reduce redness and discoloration as well as pigmentation. Not only does this have hyaluronic acid, which again is going to promote an overall more hydrated skin, but this also has baobab seed oil, which is high and rich in omega fatty acids, which are going to help the skin naturally retain more water, but it's also going to soften the skin it through all of the layers of our skin. So this is the Oh My Glow Serum, totally fine to use as a everyday serum. I, like I said, use 1 or 2 drops mixed in with a hyaluronic acid or a moisturizer, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. The diamond powder is what is going to give you that immediate burst of oh my glow, and then all of those active ingredients over time are really going to not only be promoting anti-aging, softening the skin, softening of fine lines and wrinkles, help to rehydrate the epidermis, naturally glow with the niacinamide or B3. The first two, it's a nice, soft, radiant, hydrated look, and then with the HydraGlow Cream Oil, it's this illuminating, radiant glow. And I think that's because, one, it does have a really nice pink mineral complex that really not only gives you this really healthy glow to the skin, but it helps to just immediately look almost a little more rosy because of it. Much like the first product, the Obagi Hydra Drops, the Glowbiotics HydraGlow Cream Oil also is rich in antioxidants to help fight environmental stress that can dull our complexion. It also has a really rich blend of topical probiotics or healthy bacteria that promotes an overall more defined, firm, healthy skin. The HydraGlow Cream Oil is also great for barrier repair because it is really rich in minerals and antioxidants and probiotics. If you have a weakened barrier of your skin, this is going to be a great product to use to not only look immediately healthier, hydrated, and glowy, but this will actively repair a broken skin barrier. So not only is this going to help balance our skin barrier, help balance the natural healthy bacteria on our skin, but this is giving you oils that will replenish a dehydrated skin, as well as imparting that beautiful luminosity that only this product can do. Is the beautiful shimmer that I love so much. I've done dedicated product reviews on every single one of these products, which I will link below, but I wanted to really put them in one quick video to show you guys that while it does take a little bit of time for a topical routine to really start to work on texture and brighten the complexion and really help to provide antioxidant and topical support, there are products out there that are also anti-aging, as well as hydrating and moisturizing to our skin and very replenishing of those vital minerals and nutrients that we need, while immediately giving you a glow. So you don't have to use makeup to create this look that you're going for. You can actually treat it, as well as immediately give yourself the look that you're trying to get with makeup that just washes off and it's actually not doing anything beneficial to your skin. So like I said, if you're looking for a nice lightweight product that's super hydrating, the Obagi Hydro Drops, a little bit more of a serum consistency, the Oh My Glow Serum, and then a nice rich shimmery cream that also has antioxidants, the Glowbiotics HydraGlow Cream Oil. So I hope this video is really helpful. If you guys have any questions, please let me know below. If not, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.